My name is Jesper Wing and I live in Aalborg and have been living here for 5 years. For a living I am a building inspector in the housing association here in Aalborg. Moxy was searching for athletes to sponsor in 2015 and then I applied for the sponsorship and I was fortunate enough to get the sponsorship. So I'm very happy about that. I really like the brand so far. Yeah, by Moxy is all about being confident and having courage. And what I love about the brand is the design, especially the tights with the Danish flag on them, and also they're very smooth, so the weightlifting bar glides very easily up the legs.